Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can bring back to the desktop all the deleted icons. And for that, let us begin. So the very first thing we need to do is to go to our settings, and we can do that by simply making a right click here in the Windows icon, and then you will see the settings option here. So you can click on that, or you can just search here, make a search in the Windows search tab. If you type settings, you will be able to see under best match the settings option, or in the apps the settings option. So you can also click on that, and once you click on that, all you need you will be opening the settings window. So the next thing we need to do is to go to the left pane. You will see there the personalization option, so please click on that, and then once you're in here, just scroll down, and then you will be able to see here the themes option, so please click on themes. And then once you go to themes, you will be able to see under the related settings the desktop icon settings, so please click on that. And then once you do that, you will be able to see this kind of window, this small window here. So we have the desktop icon settings. All we need to do is just to check all the options here. So we have the desktop icons, the computer, user files or users files, network, recycle bin, and the control panel. And then once you click on that, all you need to do is just click on apply and then click on OK, and then you will now be able to bring back all the deleted icons that you have there in your desktop once. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.